Millions of people rely on antidepressants and antipsychotics to manage their mental health. While these medications can be life-changing, their hidden side effects often create a vicious cycle. What if I told you they might also disrupt your gut microbiome, potentially worsening the very symptoms they aim to treat? Stay tuned to uncover how this happens, and how you can break free with microbiome-focused therapies. Antidepressants and antipsychotics come with a range of side effects: weight gain, fatigue, digestive issues, and even worsening mood over time. These medications often disrupt your body's natural balance, including your gut microbiome, which plays a key role in regulating serotonin, mood, and overall mental health. Scientific studies have revealed that antidepressants and antipsychotics can reduce the diversity of your gut bacteria. This disruption not only affects your digestion but also impacts the gut-brain axis, the communication system between your gut and your brain. Reduced gut diversity has been linked to increased anxiety, depression, and even side effects like weight gain and chronic fatigue. Here's the good news: you can restore your gut microbiome and potentially reduce the impact of medication side effects. Probiotic-rich foods, prebiotics like fiber, and targeted microbiome therapies can rebuild your gut health. Recent research shows that improving gut microflora can even enhance the effectiveness of mental health treatments while reducing side effects. Why gut health is the key to mental wellness? By focusing on your gut, you're not just improving digestion, you're addressing the root of mental health imbalances. Microbiome therapies can help break the cycle of medication reliance by tackling one of its key underlying causes: gut disruption. Your gut holds the key to breaking free from the side effects of antidepressants and antipsychotics. Visit www.innerwellnessguide.com to learn more about microbiome therapy, ask your questions for free, and explore personalized solutions for restoring your gut health. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more actionable health tips.